Hi, I'm Jeff with Wagner Technical Services. Welcome to our Tips and Troubleshooting video series. Is the spray tip on your Control Pro 130 spray gun leaking? In this video, I'll show you how to fix that. If paint is leaking or spraying out around the tip of the spray gun, the washer and saddle seat inside the tip guard might be damaged or not installed correctly. Turn off the sprayer and set the knob to prime to relieve the pressure from the gun. Then, unscrew the tip and tip guard from the gun and check the orientation of the washer and saddle seat. The concave side of the saddle seat should face the spray tip. Put the saddle seat and washer on the tip and push them into the guard. Then, screw the tip guard back on tightly. As long as the washer and saddle seat aren't damaged and installed correctly, you shouldn't have any more leaking. I hope you found this video helpful. For more help, watch our other help videos or call the number on your screen. You can also live chat with us at wagnerspraytech.com. Thanks for watching.